NVIDIA is currently trading at 142.62 and AMD is at 122.84. And for my January 2027 price projection, NVIDIA's EPS is expected to rise 94% from $254 to $492. And even though the current price to earnings is 56, I'm going to use 35 for this calculation because 56 is quite high. And that would give us a stock price of 172.20, which is a 21% increase from where it trades today. As for AMD, their EPS is expected to rise 350% from 113 to 509, and their price to earnings is 108, which I'm going to drop down to 50 because that's really high as well, and that gives us a share price of 254.50, which is a 107% upside. In terms of analyst one-year price forecasts, they're expecting NVIDIA to trade 24% higher at 176, and for AMD, they're expecting a 39% increase to 171. Moving on to earnings, NVIDIA has beat all 4 of their last earnings calls, and AMD has beat all 3 of theirs. NVIDIA's market cap is $3.49 trillion, while AMD's is at $199 billion, and NVIDIA offers a 1-cent dividend, while AMD offers none, and NVIDIA's debt to equity is 17%, while AMD's is at 3%. Overall, it's clear both of these companies are not done growing, but we are starting to see valuations for both these companies come back down to earth as they start to mature a bit after their massive growth runs over these past couple of years. And NVIDIA I'm going to put as a neutral because they have a pretty high valuation, and even though their growth projections are good, at their current market cap is just so high that it's creating a bit of a ceiling for them that's going to make growth harder and harder over time as they get bigger and bigger. So to me, the risk is medium and the return is medium as well. And AMD is going to be a buy because it has the better growth projections, and even though its valuation is twice that of NVIDIA's, it doesn't have that market cap problem where it's simply easier to double 200 billion than it is 3.5 trillion. So given the valuation, I would put their risk as medium, but I would also put their potential return as high, and that's why it's a buy. And if you want to see a stock that is very high risk, high return, go check out this video right here.